Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you this DTI dress hack that's serving glam without VIP. So who says luxury has to come with a VIP price tag? So this DTI outfit hack is giving runaway glam, red carpet, realness and designer vibes. And all without spending a single VIP game pass. So what you need to do in here, just follow my steps. So first you can just put on this currency items, this dress in here, and just choose the color that you prefer. So I'm using this dark pink or a purple color here and change the materials into light silk. And then you can also put on this long dress in a coat item, this one, and use the same texture and also color like this. And now you're going to put on two other items in this woman's section, this one, this dress in here. Toggle it into number 2 and change the color and also texture like the previous dress. And lastly, put on this hijabi set and toggle it into skirt, change the color and texture the same. And after that you are done. But here I'm going to put on some more accessory to make it dramatic. So here I'm going to put on this one on the neck and change the color like the dress. And just like that, you are done with this DTI dress hacks, all without VIP. So if you're ready to slay like a millionaire on a budget, hit like if you are loving these Luxe hacks. Also subscribe and click on the thanks for more VIP free glam. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye!